In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Stripe checkout payment links. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Product Catalog. This will take you to the area where your products and pricing options are stored. Next, find the product that you want to sell and select it. After the product page opens, scroll to the pricing section. Here, you will see the prices connected to that product. Locate the specific price that you want to use for your payment link. Beside that price, click the More button shown as 3 dots. A menu will appear with additional actions for that price. Under the Accept Payments section, click Create Payment Link. Stripe will then open the Create a Payment Link page for that selected product and price. On this page, take a moment to review the product details. Make sure the correct item and price are selected. You can also adjust the quantity settings if needed. Stripe allows you to configure optional checkout settings here as well. For example, you can collect customer information, apply taxes, or set up free trials if that fits your product or service. If you want to customize what happens after the payment is completed, click the After Payment tab. In this section, you can adjust the post-payment experience for your customer. This is useful if you want to control where they go next or what they see after checkout. As you make changes, look to the right side of the screen. Stripe shows a checkout page preview there, so you can review how the payment page will appear to customers. This helps you confirm that everything looks correct before you generate the link. Once you are satisfied with the setup, go to the upper right corner of the page and click Create Link. Stripe will generate your checkout payment link right away. You can then copy that link and share it anywhere you want, such as in an email, on a website, or through social media, depending on how you plan to accept payments. That is the full process for creating a Stripe checkout payment link inside your Stripe dashboard. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.